Oh la la, what can I say? What a hive of activity Kuta Beach really is at sunset time. Hello, how are you? Here's all. Also some coffees. Also have some fresh sweet corn here. Just cooking it now there. Necklace. You have everything, yeah? Hello, good evening, sir. How are you?
Good.
Good, good.
Bali, my friend.
Hello.
Hey, welcome to Bali.
Hello. Hello, how are you? You, madam? You're so friendly.
I have coconut, I have beer, everything I have.
This is looking very, very nice.
Hey, welcome Cowboy Bar.
Welcome to Cowboy Bar, yeah? Oh, this is another busy section here again. Here's the beverage. Oh, this is better this side. Good early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in this video for you is a sunset stroll along the famous Kuta Beach. So the starting point for this stroll is going to be at the main gate entrance just off Jalan Pantai Kuta, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the newly constructed Kuta Beach sign. So as I'm walking along here, I'm going to show you all the drinks sellers and food sellers at the back of the beach, and just show you how busy this section of beach is going to be during the sunset period here on Kuta Beach. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a sunset stroll here at Kuta Beach. Okay, so I'm stood here now at the main entrance and the gates to the famous Kuta Beach here in Kuta area of Bali. This is the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta. This way is plenty of restaurants, shops and things in that direction. This is still a continuation of Jalan Pantai Kuta, so be heading towards Beach Walk Shopping Mall, Legian Beach. We're going to head through the gates. It's just sunset's just arrived here now. We're going to head through the gates to Kuta Beach. So we'll cut across the street now. So the sun is just setting now, you can see in the distance there.
You wanna chachi?
We already have quite a few people on the beach here. Just here, I just want to take you back here, just want to show you these guys here. Blow dart, yeah? Blow dart. This is a bow and arrow. Some of the two guys there on the beach. Okay, we're going to get down and step on the beach. There's some places at the back of the beach here, however we've got some copyright music being played. We're going to step down onto the beach. You see there's quite a few people here now on the beach. Have to walk along this section of beach to get away from that copyright music. We just walk through all of the people. Everybody's looking in this direction for the sunset. We'll continue walking along the beach, and then we'll turn back and take a look when the sun finally sets. If it's not over, oh la la, it's really lighting up now. Wow. Okay, so I've just come up to the top now just to give you a full view on that beautiful sunset there. The sky is absolutely amazing colours there. See the people on the beach. Now we're going to walk along the back of the beach. So just at the back of the beach here we have lots of drink sellers. Just here we have a lady selling some fresh coconuts there. Here's all the different types of drinks available here. Sinaraja, Blackjack, Bintang Radler, Smirnoff Ice Pink. Many different drinks available there from these sellers at the back of the beach. So we've got many sellers selling drinks, some food and snacks, coconuts, etc. all available along here. And some more drinks here. Hello, how are you? Here's all the lady again. There's some more drinks. There's some soft drinks as well there. Another good collection of coconuts. Also some pot noodles if you want a pot noodle here at the beach. Surfboard rental. Just turn back and take a look at the sky again now. Ooh la la, so beautiful. Wow. Shopping, shopping, surfing, surfing. Let's keep walking along the beach here. You can see there's many people sat relaxing, enjoying themselves, taking in the super sunset. The sky is really starting to turn a beautiful colour now. You can see there's lots of people down there, down below, sat drinking, relaxing. All of the surf lessons and things, all of the Indonesians. We have Bella's Bar. All the drinks again there. All these ladies have got all the bracelets and things here. Hello, how are you? So there's lots of sellers here at the back of the beach. All of these ladies here selling all the bracelets, sarongs and everything for sale. Lots of food and drink sellers here at the back of the beach. Looks as though the sun has finally set now. Just going to keep making our way along the back of the beach here. So here I'm up high. There's a little bit of a banking made because of the ocean here. It comes very close. Also have drinks in the coolers there, so you can get your cool drinks. The sun has finally set now. Have sellers as well along the back of the beach here, selling all your sarongs. And one here selling all your fruit drinks, Nutrisari. I have these myself. Also some coffees. Cappuccino, some biscuits, popcorn. Many things available. We can get it all at the beach here. And a guy on the guitar here. Oh, we forgot to show the corn. Also have some fresh sweet corn here. It's just cooking it now there. Lots of the corns here. Thank you, brother. Oh, here's another lady selling lots of bracelets and things here. Wow, so many, yeah? Many bracelets. Necklace.
Anklet.
You have everything, yeah?
Cargo anklet, kiri.
Buy one, please.
Oh my God, key rings.
Buy one.
Thank you, I continue. Hello, good evening sir, how are you?
Good.
Good, good.
Bali. My friend, umbrella.
Hello, how are you, madam? Not so talkative, that one. Some you win, some you lose. There's lots of people sat down here on the beach, tourists, Indonesians, just relaxing, drinking. Some here at the back of the beach also. A lit beach bar in the back there. Hello, madam. All here again, your drink sellers in the back. Just show you out on the street now so you can relate to where we are. Just across the street here, this is the heritage Kuta Beach Hotel. Featured this in the video, fabulous hotel that. We have the Kuta Beach Hotel just in the distance there. Here we also have a seating area for people as well that just sit in this point here. There's people sat relaxing on the edge here. Hello, how are you two? Tourists, Indonesians, everybody's sat here. Just step down now and get back onto the beach. So look at the sky again, beautiful colours. A little bit dysfunctional, they're sat all over the place here. Just back on the track now at the back of the beach. Have some toilet facilities on the right hand side here if you need to go to the toilet. Not sure if you have to pay, oh I think you have to pay for the toilets. Some beanbag style seating here. Hello.
Hey, welcome to Bali.
He has all the drinks and everything here.
Moris Bar, Moris Bar, Moris Bar. Come to Moris Bar.
Come to Moris Bar.
Moris Bar.
Tell us, come to Moris Bar. Thank you, brother. Lots of people here. Sat relaxing, chilling, drinking, eating. Some mee ayam bakso, chicken bakso here. Hello, how are you? Just continuing on now. You can see it's all pretty much all the same. You just take your pick and choice for where you're gonna sit, who you're gonna buy from. Some nice beanbag seating here. Some tourists again here on the beach. As you look out again, another lady here selling. Hello, how are you? Another place here called Cowboy Bar. People at the back of the beach here. Some tourists sat there also. Have some more corn here again. Hello, how are you? It's the sweet corn. Beautiful views. I think the sweet corn at the beach is usually around about 20,000. Don't quote me on that, but I think usually here. Oh, it's more tourists again down in the bottom here. Coming to a little bit of a busier section now. Bali Gun Surf. Hello, how are you, madam? You're so friendly.
I have coconut, I have cold beer, everything I have.
This lady has everything. What's the name?
This is a rosy flower.
Rosy flowers.
Nail Jasmine Santi Bar.
Oh, you Santi Bar, yeah?
Santi Bar. I'm
Okay.
selling everything.
Okay, beautiful.
Yes. Okay.
Lots of people here in this section. Ooh la la, look at the crowds here. Wow. Seems a popular spot, this. We'll just turn back in a moment and show you the sky starting to light up again in the distance. It's looking very, very nice. Lots of people in this area here. All the same here, coconuts, beers, soft drinks, everything all along the back of the beach here. Lots of people here also. Some tourists sat in the back there under the tree in the dark. It's a good mix of tourists and Indonesian here at Kuta Beach. Hello. How are you? Let's give you another look back at the sky again. Very, very beautiful. Oh la la, this is a great name, Cowboy Bar.
Yeah, welcome Cowboy Bar.
Welcome to Cowboy Bar, yeah? Hello. It's walking behind the tourists now. Some people sat down below on the beach. Some sat on the sands, some sat on chairs. All you drink sellers and everyone along the beach. You're never gonna go thirsty here. La la, we're coming to a little bit of a busy section again here. Some surfboard rental and things again there. Some tourists here. There's a look at your view again. Some Bakso Mama here. Oh la la, this is another busy section here again. Wow, so many tourists here. Just come out now onto this area here and show you where we're located in relation to the street. So directly across the road there, that's Beach Walk Shopping Mall and all the lights. Have Arabica coffee shops, Starbucks there. Many restaurants and things there. Now we're going to cut back on the beach. Ooh la la, this section's very, very busy. Very busy here. There's another lady seller here. She's got all the bracelets and things on her hats there. Hello, how are you, madam?
You need bracelet?
No, thank you. A little bit dark at this section here. All the drink sellers. Hello, brother, how are you? Good, good, good. Let's have a look at this section here. There's quite a few tourists and Indonesian mix here. Another big group here again. This lady's having a massage here. And we have some copyright music. We'll have to move on. Big groups of tourists again, or Indonesian here. Hello, brother. No, thank you.
I go jet.
Everybody's offering you bintang and drinks here. That sky, beautiful. Some music again here. Some more drink sellers and things here. A little bit of a quiet section here now. Some more sweet corn here at the back of the beach. Indos and bule mixing there. Fresh and cold coconut again here.
Yes, you take it.
Just at the back of the beach. Also has a menu.
Very good. Good promotion.
Come out of the...
Okay. And the left side too. Yes. Very good. Very good. And the other.
Here's the beverage. Oh, this is better this side. Many different things available there.
Very good.
Beautiful, brother. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just continue walking along now. A little bit of a quiet section, this area now here. Okay, so I just turned the camera off there for a little while. This section here, if you're looking for a quiet section of beach, just want to be alone, not in mixing with all the other tourists, this is the best section. This is opposite Warung Kuta Mata. I'll just come out and show you so that you can see where I'm talking about if you want a quiet section of beach. So we're opposite Warung Kuta Mata. I'll put the name in the description. Also 69 Bar, which is there. This area is opposite those two if you're looking for a quiet section during sunset. There's not too many people up along in this area here. There is seating, just not too many people. You can still get your food and snacks and drinks also though at this end as well. Some Indonesian relaxing, enjoying themselves there. Oh, this is a nice little seating area here. We're getting a few tourists again here in this area. This is a place called Kup Bar. Kup Bar. Tourists sat there. Many of these seem to have packed up. There is people on the beach, just down there. Some people sat in the back as well, getting food and things. Have some more toilets here again. You need a pee. And then now we're coming out to the end of this evening's video, and this should be the Kuta Beach sign just on my left here. Yes, it is. So there's the Kuta Beach sign. There's no lights on that now. We'll get it up closely just so that you can see. Kuta Beach. Okay, so that concludes my sunset stroll here at the famous Kuta Beach. Oh la la, what can I say? What a hive of activity Kuta Beach really is at sunset time. So as you've seen with the camera, there was quite a lot of people here on the beach, sat relaxing, drinking, chilling, eating. There's quite a number of sellers and ladies all along the back of the beach there, selling you things from bracelets, offering massage and things. All in all, this is just a general fun place here to come for sunset, and I hope you get the opportunity to come here during your holiday stay here in Bali. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed this evening's video or this sunset walking video. Hope some of you find this video useful and get the opportunity to pay Kuta Beach a visit during sunset or even during the day, and I shall say bye for now.